So what are we doing?
How the hell should I know? Cabin air filter.
Access, change, replace. 2007 Ford Escape.
Ford Escape!
Cabin air filter.
Cabin air filter. I'm sorry. Cabin air filter!
Remove these here.
Plastic doodad.
They're never...
Is that a Phillips screwdriver?
It is.
Does a Phillips you will require. That's the plus one for the people that don't understand.
It's easier just to push the damn things up than to try and unscrew them.
I guess you don't need a screwdriver for that. Just push them on up. Like the Jeffersons.
Jeffersons? You said that.
You heard me. I know I said it wrong. Shut up. Got a bit of an issue there.
Yeah. Got these here clips over here.
Oh, there's some clips over there. There's some clips over there.
We don't need to worry about those.
No, we're just lifting that up.
Because I don't know how they come out.
Yeah, screw it. We'll just lift her skirt up. That's fine.
And there's a cover in here.
Pretty covery.
It's
Clearly too much of a match for you.
what in the sand?
There you go. Goodbye, pieces of tree.
So, as you can see...
I really can't. Hold on. Let me get my camera up in there. Looks to be some sort of stuff.
Does
and
not
things.
look like there's a filter in there.
It appears to be an empty hole.
Alright, so... Oh, look, there's a bunch of tree in there.
Yeah, there's some tree remnants in there.
So if I've done my ordering research correctly...
Ordering research?
Oh. Okay.
That made a funny noise. So, supposedly, this is the correct one. The only one way to find out, try and stuff it in. I think he was putting it in backwards.
I failed kindergarten.
You did fail the kindergarten. Aren't you putting it in the exact same way? Come on, you can do it now. I believe in you. I almost believe in you. I mean, it's still... I mean... I don't... Oh! He got it! He found the correct way to put it in. Words up.
I don't know, I thought words went down.
Word up.
I was quite certain that words went down.
Word up.
Oops. And it just kind of sits in there. And this thing...
At least for this brand. Word up.
Oh, there's a couple of clips. Clip in.
Clippy there, clippy over there.
And,
I don't think there's a clippy over there. There you go. It's mostly about just trying to find the right shape like a kindergartner would. Took him a while, but he got it. Thumbs up. Good job, buddy.
I was sure the airflow thing went down, but there's no way it would fit that way, is there?
Clearly not. You tried every direction except for the one that was correct. I'm just gonna film you putting those in.
Well, yeah, it's part of the thing.
It is part of the thing.
They
wouldn't know to put those back. I mean, people just... They would never know. How would they know to put those back? What kind of sense would that make? Returning things to their proper places.
Good. That'll keep the squirrels out.
Well, I mean, the less determined squirrels.
Yeah, I think it came with instructions.
Were there instructions? Should we look at the instructions? Let's take a moment. Man, those look real complex. Kind of intimidated. Wonder how much they paid to get like 1,000 photocopies of that crap.
That's very important.
Installation is in the reverse order of removal. Oh, shit.
15 minutes it apparently takes.
15 minutes, man. We were done like 2 minutes ago. That's like 3 minutes. We didn't even take that thing off. We just kind of held it up. Just flipped the skirt up a little bit.
Problem solved.
Problem solved. Anybody can do that. 15 minutes, my ass. If it takes you longer than this video, man, you got some issues.